Alright guys, so you're welcome to my channel. This is Miracle Osajele, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy domains from Namesilo. What is Namesilo? Namesilo is a hosting platform where you can actually buy domains such as extension. Like for example, you can buy osajelemiracle.com, right? You see the .com. These are the companies that give you access to buy a .com kind of domains, right? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy a domain from this particular hosting platform called Namesilo. Reason why I'm using Namesilo is because their service is good, and I've been able in the past few days and past few months and weeks I've been able to use Namesilo, and their service is quite okay, and it is more like me using a Namecheap as my own hosting platform, right? Because the reason why I recommend Namesilo is because Namesilo is one of the best hosting platform that you can use to host any kind of domain name, host any kind of website, and also build any kind of website, and it will be there live on the www, right? So let's dive into my computer and let me show you how you can actually buy domains from Namesilo. It's very easy and very easy to learn. All right, so let's dive into my system right now. All right, so this is my Namesilo account, right? So I'm just going to click on home to show you the interface on Namesilo, right? So you can see that whenever you come down here to tap Namesilo, right? Once you do Namesilo, right, you get namesilo.com. so this is where it's going to be showing you, right? You can see this is how Namesilo look like. You can decide to read from scratch to the finishing, right? Now you can see these are the services that they offer. So you can see that find cheap domain names for your website, right? Hosting, email, and SSL solution available to set up your online presence all under one roof, right? Now you can see, now one thing I like about Namesilo is that they give you free SSL, right? They give you free SSL, and this is one of the reasons why a lot of people like using Namecheap, because of free SSL, and also they are cheap, right? Also, these people are practically cheap too. You can see that .com is 10.95 cents, which is $10, almost $11, right? Now you can do there's a coupon code that will be given out at the end of the day for you to be able to use when buying a domain, right? Or when buying an extension from this particular hosting platform, right? There is a domain, can even give you maybe like $3 if you're lucky. The domain name, the extension, the coupon code we remove about $3, $4 for you, or even $1, right? Good. So so because it's a low domain prices from 0 to 0.99, right? They are very cheap, safe and secure, large growing registrar, 247 customer support, right? You can chat them up, tell them, oh, you have a problem with your domain and hosting. They will help you to rectify it. It's very easy. You can come here and talk to them, right? Then you can come to, yes, once you click on this particular section, it's going to give you where you can talk to them and say hi, my name is blah 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 and all of that. So that is how to do that. So now what do we do? You can actually go over there and read about them and then start using Namesilo, right? So the next thing I need to show you right now is how to buy domain from this individual, right? So already I have a domain I need to buy. So a client chatted me up and told me, I want to buy a domain name and I want to put it inside my already existing hosting. I said, okay, fine. And I had to bill the person, and the person sent me the money this early morning. And now I'm here to do a video on how to buy a domain name, right? All right. So okay, look at it here. So this is it. So this is the domain name. I'm just going to copy this domain name, because this is what this guy paid for. You can see he sent me some funds here, right? So I'm just going to come here now and paste the domain name here, right? Paste the domain name here, and then search for the .com if it's going to be available. If it is available, good for me, right? Good. So you can see Okay, peanut chest or peanutsetdavion.com. Okay, it's already on my cart because I've added it to cart already. So all right, all I'm just going to do now is go over to my cart. You can see I can remove it now. Let me remove it and add it again so you see what I'm talking about, right? So good. So this is it. So I'm just going to click on search. Okay, look at it. So this is it here already. All I need to do now is to come here and click on add. And once I click on add, it's going to be added to my cart. Right? It's going to be added to my cart. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now it has been added to my cart. All I need to do is to go over to my cart here, click on my cart, and then click on view cart. Right? So immediately I do that, the next thing I need to do is for me to find a way to buy this domain. Right? Already on this channel I have where I have a video on how you can actually fund hosting account. Right? So there's a video for that. If you're having challenges on how to actually fund your account, there is a video on my YouTube channel. Right? You can go over to my YouTube channel and then you're going to see a video on how to fund your Namesilo account. It's very easy and very simple to do. All right, so all I need to do now is to sign up. Right, all you need to do is to put in your username and then your password. Right, then I'll click on sign in. Right, good. So I'll click on OK. So immediately I click on OK, this is the next interface is going to show me. So I already have a coupon that I normally use. I normally use this coupon. It's called Honey 1OFF, something like this. So let me apply it. Let's see if this coupon is going to work. Right, let's see if it's going to work on the 1OFF. Okay, it has been applied. Now you can see that $1 has been removed. Right, most times this coupon takes away $2 or $3. Right, so it could be your lucky day that you did this particular stuff, you added this coupon and it gave you about $3, and it means that you have saved about 1,500 or 2,000 naira from your normal price of buying the domain hosting. Right, so all you need to do now is to click on checkout. So click on checkout. I'm only buying a domain, I'm not buying a hosting actually, right? Because this particular domain, I'm going to be hosting it in another platform entirely. Right, I'm going to be hosting it in another platform entirely. What I mean by that is I can buy a domain name from this particular people now and go to Namecheap and host it there. Right, that means I have a cPanel right there on the Namecheap account, and I'm buying this particular domain name from Namesilo. Right, so now all I need to do now is to wait for it to load, and then before I can start doing what I need to do, which is me buying this particular domain name from. Okay, all right, so now sorry, there's something I'm supposed to say, but now you can see that we have, this is it. This is the $9 I'm supposed to pay, and this is the total money is charged us normally, and this is $9. Right, remember, can you remember that we are supposed to, this place should be on account fund. Remember, right? So when you click on account, when you're here, you're definitely going to see account fund. Account fund is what? $12. That's what $12 I added to this my account when I was I did the video for that actually. So that's $12 I have on this particular account, right? So with this $12, all I need to do now is to make sure that it's on account fund, and then all I need to do is apply my coupon and then click on I accept the namesilo.com terms and conditions, and then click on pay. Automatically the payment will be made. A payment of $9.95 will be made, and your domain name has been purchased immediately, has been purchased already. Right, so that is the way, and that is the process on how you can actually buy domain name from Namesilo. You can see it's very easy and it does not give any stress. Right, so even if you are a newbie, even if you do not know anything about how to press a computer, but you can see this process I just taught you guys. Now you can see that it is very easy to buy domain name and hosting from these people called Namesilo. Okay, I think due to network failure, I think I've already clicked on that pay now for more than 3 times now. So, and it's showing me this. I think this particular domain name I bought from these people have already been purchased. So all I just need to do is to check if it has already been purchased, because you can see it said, sorry, we are unable to process domainname.com. Another user in our system already has registered that domain and likely did so while you are processing your order. If you believe this is an error, please contact blah 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 blah, blah, right? So just click on continue and then let's see what it is. All right, so I'm just going to check my account to see if this domain name has already been purchased, because I think because I did it for more than 3 times, the payment has gone through due to network problem here in my country. So the it was not shown that I've purchased it. So let me check. First of all, let me check my account. Okay, fine. You can see I have just $12 $2 remaining. It means that I have already purchased this particular domain name. So let me go over to Domain Manager to see if my domain name is there. Right, so let me check there. You know, on this account I have just one domain name, and okay, good. So you can see that we already have it, right? This is the domain I just purchased, right? You can see this domain name, right? So that is how to buy a domain name from Namesilo. You can see very easy and very cheap to buy. So thank you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment on the comment section and tell me the challenges and what you want me to show you, because all I actually do here on this channel is to show you things for free on how to actually grow and how to actually grow and monetize your skill using your digital assets, which is your system, your laptop, and every other thing that you know that can make you money online, right? So all I actually show here is actually how to make money online doing one of these 2 little things that I actually show you on this particular channel. So thank you. Make sure you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me to grow. And the more you keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, the more I keep dropping video. When you like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be the first person to definitely be seeing any video that I drop concerning how to make money online, how to buy domain name, and hosting, how to do, you know. So thank you guys, and God bless you. See you on the next video, and thank you very much.